Yep. So Kadena, right? So here we are. This is gonna be another technical analysis on Kadena right now. Oh no, this one came up down a little bit, and we're already finding resistance at Kadena. I actually expected Kadena to break this level, backtest, and try to move up to this level right here. So we do have resistance though that is actually still met at the moment, unfortunately, and we might actually start to go a little bit down and retrace down for Kadena at this point of time. So what you did is a sideways movement. Went up, came down, went up again, came down, and now you're moving higher, but you're still getting rejected right over there. So the problem is you have this resistance resistance there, so you might actually come down again here to this level 1.4825, and then finally come up and break this level. But anyway, it doesn't matter when you break out. The breakout really should happen in this way, that you break it out, come for the retest, and then you're good to go basically up to this level, which is going to be $2.3. So it's still a sideways movement. Let's see, can you break to the upside? Amazing. If you do come down, fizzle out, and break to the downside, then you might still continue to go maybe back down to $1.3 at the moment. So that's it on Kadena. Comment, it's just a sideways movement. We need a very clear breakout at the moment for Kadena. Right? Right. So the next coin is actually gonna be Jasmine. Right. So let's go back to the video